So, Steph at the moment is actually preparing a room for these guys. I'm not sure how these guys are gonna fit into the cheese meat, but should be interesting. Yes, cheese meat peeps, you guys get to help babysit. I'm gonna recruit them, I don't know. Yeah, this guy here, very thoughtful looking. He's been looking up at the camera, looking all over the place. Yeah, and then we got a couple of light ones. They're just, the markings are just, now the screen I'm seeing just doesn't do them justice. Hopefully they look better on your screen. But oh, cutie. They're all 11.3 ounces each, so they must have been born within minutes of each other. Yeah, and let's see. Yeah, and they very much want to be in contact with each other. That is vital to them. So, yeah, starting to wonder about Steph's class. Every time she goes to school, she comes back with another kitten. Well, no. This is the time of year when the shelters and whatnots really are overbearing, especially with kittens and such. So they need as much help as anybody can give them. So this was probably somebody's idea of a really cute gift that grew up and had kittens of their own, and well, please spay or neuter your pets. So much easier to spay and neuter your pets than to try to find homes for 4 wonderful babies that are 4 of hundreds. So I think the one I'm rubbing is falling asleep. She's so soft. Well, I'm gonna turn off the video for now, take a couple more pictures. Steph will want the video after, so I want to make sure she has some time. So I'll talk to you later.